Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a flip through of my brand new sugar coconut. This is the B6 number 5 with Foxy Fix, and I just got this in the mail. You should be seeing a unboxing of this. It should be up before this video, so if you want to go check out the unboxing of this, I'll link it down below. But yeah, I'm so excited about this. I've wanted the sugar coconut for a while now. I just love it. I love the simplicity of the white, and I've never actually had sugar leather from Foxy Fix. I've only had the Boss Babe, and I must say I love the sugar leather. I like the sturdiness of the Boss Babe, but something about the sugar leather, it's just so, I don't know, it's so soft and I love it. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a flip through of this. So let's just go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so first here we have this front part. One thing I have to mention is that I don't know what happened, but when I ordered my pockets, I somehow, I don't know, got confused. I wanted my pockets to be, if you're unfamiliar, this is the secretarial pocket from Foxy Fix, and it has no card pocket. And then my back here has the card pocket. So this is a secretarial with the card pocket. I wanted this essentially to be on the front and then the back to be like this. So I don't know what happened. I messaged Foxy Fix and they said I could send them in a picture and see what they could do. I'm assuming since it's my mistake, because it does show on the order that this is how it, I wanted it. So I don't know what I was doing when I was ordering this. I obviously wasn't paying close enough attention. I was thinking that the front was the right pocket, not the left pocket. So I wanted the left pocket to have the secretarial and the card loop, and then the back pocket, which is the right pocket, to just have the secretarial. So I'm a little bit bummed about that, especially if they can't fix it. I don't know if they can, if I were to send it back in, if they can just like re-sew a pocket on there or how that works. I don't know if it would totally mess with the stitching. So I'll see what they say when they message me back. But I would love to have a pocket up here just because I love it for decoration and whatnot. But, I mean, playing around with it, there are different things you can do with putting paper clips in here and just adding some decoration to it. So here I have, this is a, you guys have seen this on my channel before, it's the Love Clip from Green and Lime. And then this is just a little marble die cut. I honestly don't know where I got this. And then this is paper from the January Planner Society box. And I just kind of cut it and rounded the corners just again for some decoration. And then this is just some vellum from Nichols. Just gold dots and backed with a white piece of paper. So this is the front dashboard here, and again I have, like I said in my last video, I buy Holly Nichols prints for my Foxy Fix, and I keep them all in the Foxy Fix dashboard. So it's in a dashboard here, and so this Holly Nichols print, I ordered it in a 5x7. And when it got here, I didn't know that it was more of a horizontal image. Typically, they're a little bit more of a vertical 5x7 image. So what I did to make it fit in the dashboard is I just trimmed it down and I just backed it with a pretty piece of paper. So I did that and that worked totally fine. So at first I was bummed, but then I had the idea to do that and I actually really like it. I think it adds just a little bit extra to it. And here, this is just a bow that came with my order, my Simply Gilded washi order. Just a cute little bow there that I added to it. And what I did is I cut it out so it's still backed by the paper, so I didn't stick it onto my Holly Nichols print, and I just put a little bit of washi tape behind it just to stick it down. That way I don't have to worry about it ripping my Holly Nichols image. This is the next page. This is one of those Ks. I got it from Hobby Lobby. I think they have them at Michael's too, I think. But I got mine at Hobby Lobby, and this is just, I went and bought a paper pack that has a bunch of different like nice pinks in it and some neutral colors, mainly for my February Valentine's Day setup. So I took this paper out of there just from Michael's. And then this is a piece of vellum, and this is also that same, it's from the January Planner Society box. And then this is a paper clip that I got from KatieJo Collections, I believe is what her shop is called. It was a set of a red and white one. I got those for Valentine's Day as well, but the white obviously goes with anything. So these are just my inserts, my Jesenia printables inserts. I believe it's the week on, I think it's the week on 2 or 4 pages. I don't know how she counts it, but it's this page and then this page. So yeah, this is the week I'm on, and this is my newest addiction limited edition kit. I love it. I think it's so pretty. So there's that. Back of that vellum here. I love this vellum. I think it's so pretty. It's actually foiled with rose gold, which I thought was really pretty. And I have mixed gold and rose gold in here. I love mixing metals. I think it's really cool looking, actually. And then so this is just a little Fox and Pip bow, and then a die cut for my newest addiction, which I thought matched really well. And then here is the next part. This is again that same paper, and I don't think I mentioned, this is a paper I believe from Michaels that I got, and it's the same paper that's here, backed by that Holly Nichols print. This is just a picture of me and my daughter. And then here is just some more of that vellum. Here is another Holly Nichols print. I love this one. And I don't know if I mentioned this in my last video. I think I did, but some people were asking me if I have to trim these down at all, and I do. I trim them down just a little bit on this side, and then also the top or the bottom. And honestly, just a little tiny bit. It does not need much trimming, and it fits perfectly in these dashboards. And I had another girl asking me if the Holly Nichols prints fit in a traditional size traveler's notebook, and she does have an option that is a 4x6 print. And what you could do in that situation is order a 4x6 and then essentially trim it down and do the same thing that I did here. So it would be a little bit smaller, but you could trim it to whatever size and then just back it with some pretty paper. And I think that looks really cool too, and that way you could still have some in your traveler's notebook if you don't have the full B6 size. So that's what I would do. And then here we have some more paper from that Planner Society box. I love all the florals patterns that came in that in the January Planner Society box. I think they're really pretty. With the Planner Society, I love all of the stuff you get. Like, this is the pen that came with it, and I think it's super pretty. But with all of her papers and everything that you get, to me it's just a little bit too much to use all of it in one spread. I like very cohesive and I'm more on the neutral side and nothing too just crazy. I just get overwhelmed with that. So I like just taking bits and pieces from her kit that she sends and adding them into my traveler's notebook set. So that's what I do. And then this is just a paper, I think from Hobby Lobby. It's just gold foiled hearts. And this is just a really pretty sticker sheet from Paper Blush Bar. It's all about coffee. I think I had this in my last setup too. With this is a green and lime coffee cup paper clip. And then here's this page. I really struggled with this page right here. I don't know why. I just couldn't find something that I loved. So I'm not like totally in love with this page right now, but I figured it worked. This is just a little journaling card backed by that same paper from the book I got from Michaels. And then this is just my newest addiction die cut. And then there's actually some acetate that came with the Planner Society box, and this is rose gold. And then I just have my list insert here. And then here is a Holly Nichols print. I believe this was in my last setup as well. I love this one. I think it's just really simple and pretty. And again, in a dashboard. And then here is that same paper. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I tend to use a lot of the same things throughout just to make it really cohesive. Again, I just like simplicity and nothing too crazy. That's why I kind of switched out of the Boss Babe Scarlet Foxy Fix, because I just felt very stuck to a certain color palette in that one, because I just like everything to be cohesive and flow together. And with that more, red color of the Scarlet, it just is too much for me. So I love this white one and just bringing those colors throughout my setup. So this is more Planner Society paper and more of that gold acetate. And I have my spending tracker in here. And then this is just a little, I guess you'd call it die cut from the Fox and Pip, I think. And then here's just a little simple thing here. Work hard, dream big. Some more Planner Society paper. And I don't know, I think I got this journaling card from Wild Summer Designs, I believe. I'll try and link everything below of where I got everything, but I believe that's where it's from. It came in a little set, and I have 2 more in here. Again, more of that gold paper. You guys are gonna get sick of seeing that, but I love it. I think this is so pretty. I think the gold is just a really pretty color. I have another sheet of this, but it's a little bit more of that like yellowy gold, which I'm not a huge fan of. I like the really true gold color, so I love that. And then here, I love these stickers. It says Retail Therapy, and I believe the handwriting in this is from the Planner Sophisticate, and then the actual stickers themselves are from My Newest Addiction, but I just think they're so pretty. I like don't want to use them. And then here's that Joy paperclip that was in my last setup from Green and Lime. And then here is the last page. I really struggled with this as well. I wanted to use acetate back here, and I couldn't find one that was different than this in my collection, and I couldn't find something that just matched well but wasn't too I don't know, contrasty, I guess. I had a really hard time with this, so I don't love my back setup yet either. I threw this together pretty quickly because I got so excited when I got my sugar coconut in the mail. I just wanted to set it up. So yeah, these are both that same acetate. Again, you saw this a lot throughout my spread. And then this, I think this is just a paper clip from Hobby Lobby, and then these are 2 of the other journaling cards that come in that Wild Summer Designs little package. I believe that's where it's from, so if I'm wrong, just make sure you check the description box down below. I'm always terrible at remembering. So yeah, and this just says, "Oh, happy day," and this is just a little paper clip. I actually got this from my wedding photographer. She had it clipped to just on my paperwork, and I thought it was so cute, so I kept that. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my setup. I'm sure I'll be switching it out here soon because February is right around the corner, and I can't wait to do a Valentine's Day setup. I think I showed in my haul. Yeah, I showed in my haul some of those Holly Nichols prints that I got. Oh, of course this is backwards. I probably will be switching those out soon because I did get all of my, I'm pretty sure I'm all set for my February Valentine's Day setup, which I'm super excited for because I got some new Holly Nichols prints and some new papers, like I said, from Michaels, and some die cuts and stuff like that. So I'm super excited to set up for February. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. And again, don't forget to go watch my unboxing of this. It's super exciting. I was really excited to get this. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And if you guys have any suggestions of what you want me to film next, I would love to hear them. So just comment down below and let me know. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.